Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make homemade hair gel for men. Many store-bought gels contain chemicals that can be tough on your hair and scalp. By making your own, you'll use natural ingredients, which are much better for your hair's health. Plus, you get to control the hold and fragrance, ensuring it's exactly what you want for your unique style. It's a simple, effective way to upgrade your grooming routine. Gathering your ingredients is the first step to creating your perfect hair gel. You'll need 1 cup of distilled water as your base. For that essential hold and texture, grab 1 teaspoon of unflavored gelatin. Finally, to give your gel a fantastic aroma, choose your favorite essential oil and prepare 5 to 10 drops. These simple items are all it takes to get started on your natural hair care journey. Now for the fun part, mixing your gel. Start by gently heating 1 cup of distilled water until it's warm, but don't let it boil. Next, whisk in 1 teaspoon of unflavored gelatin until it's completely dissolved and smooth. Once that's done, add your 5 to 10 drops of essential oil for a custom scent. Finally, pour your mixture into a clean, airtight container and let it cool. Once your gel has cooled and set, it's ready to use. Store it in the refrigerator where it will stay fresh for up to 2 weeks. When you're ready to style, simply take a small amount and apply it to either damp or dry hair, working it through to achieve your desired look and hold. It's a fantastic, natural alternative to commercial products. And hey, while you're making things fresh, why not freshen up your ride too? Check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.